my text messages, Jennifer.
I'm not doing anything. You must be in a dead zone.
Now settle down, you two. Lovely ladies, I give it to you. Black lightning.
Well, girls, how do you like seeing your old man as a cool, butt-kicking crime fighter?
Sorry, Dad, but even that outfit can't make you cool.
When do we get costumes?
Not till you graduate from college.
That's so unfair.
Yeah, we're ready to be superheroes now.
You are both too young to be fighting crime.
Weren't you around Anissa's age when I made you your first costume?
You're not helping. Dr. Polaris, you girls stay here.
Maybe he is cool.
You want to know what else is cool?